Portta VHS to digital converter. Video to digital recorder with remote. RC80 HDMI converter compatible with VHS, VCR, DVR, DVD, Hi8, Mini DV, Camcorder, cassette tape, gaming consoles. Compatible devices VHS, DVR, DVD, VCR, Hi8. Specific uses for product TV. Connector type RCA, HDMI. Color black. Item dimensions LXWXH 6.22, X to 0.97 x 1.07 inches. Video to digital converter. Effortlessly convert and store analog video and audio signals into digital formats. Recording resolution up to 1080p. 30 Hz. Supports AV, RCA, CVBSR, L, S video, and O inputs. Plug and play. No PC. Software. Driver needed. USB, SD card for storage. Equipped with a 3.0 preview LCD and built-in speaker. No capacity limitation for the USB drive or TF card not included. Enables direct playback of recorded videos and audios, as well as preview snapshots on the capture box. Video and audio format. Store video in MP4 format or audio in MP3 format. Supports PAL and TSC 3.58 and TSC 4.43, SACAM, PAL, M, PAL, and standard TV formats input. Audio sampling rate up to 48 kHz with uncompressed 2-channel LPCM. Digital audio output. Setup reminders. Ensure either CVBS or LAV input or ON 3.5mm is properly connected. In settings, HOME greater than settings. Verify video and volume and AUX and volume are unmuted for the selected input. Broad compatibility. Supports recording and digitizing video for VHS, VCR, DVR, DVD, Hi8, camcorders, mini DV, cassette tape player, and retro gaming consoles. What you get: video capture box by 1, power adapter with USB Type-A to C cable X1, remote control to *AAA batteries not included X1, AV cable X1, 3.5mm audio cable by 1, user manual X1 with a hassle-free 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support. Reach out to our friendly customer service for any questions.